Okay, here we go. Ha ha! It's your boy Danny.
Popping out the barrel, I stay fresh. My auntie just got some extra flesh. Yeah, that's right, we the best. We gon' do to you what we did with the rest.
Represent Colombia, baby. Show all that appreciation, baby. Let's do this. What up, motherfucker? It's your boy Ali. Fly like a butterfly, sting like a bee. Knock your ass out like Muhammad Ali. Let me introduce you to my boys, yo. Do they suck dick? Hell no. Are they fucking slick? You already know. Me and my boys all rap with such variety. That's all we do in the Eater society. We all spit with such unity. That's what it is in the Eater community.
Drinking my Corona, sipping on my gin. I'ma have to tell you once again, I like my Aunt Eater fully dressed in skin. When the girls see it, they give me a grin. I'm right here. I'm so original, I am prolific. I'm so big, you can call me Pacific. They'll always understand because I'm so specific. I'm so straight, I'm like a curve that's bent. I rap with such swag, yeah, I'm magnificent. I'm better than Jay-Z, better than 50 Cent. Twice as good, might as well call me Dollar. I'm so hood.
Can't you see my pop collar?
You know what it is if you heard guns a lion, pull them hoes out of barrels without even trying. I'm like Cupid with the zero, the dick's all dime in a ship with Jack Sparrow, but I'm flying. Drinking my Corona, sipping on my gin. I'ma have to tell you once again, I like my Aunt Eater fully dressed in skin. When the girls see it, they give me a grin.
I'll make it snappy. I am snappy, I crusade and roam. I'm always with a partner, never find me alone. I got my rims, they big and they're chrome. I show up to the party and sure to cop the dome. I got a nice friend, you probably wanna meet her. I'ma whoop her out like a 9mm auntie top. It's part of the society, it's an anteater. My catches my balls like Randy Moss. I need to shave that shit, it looks like Rick Ross. I'm at the end, yeah, I'm at the fin. I drink my beer and sip it on with my gin.
Drinking my Corona, sipping on my gin. I'ma have to tell you once again, I like my Aunt Eater fully dressed in skin. When the girls see it, they give me a grin.
I'm ready for it.
I make it slippers.
Que pasa, baby?
We young boys and we filled with opportunity. That's how we do it in the Eater community. Unity.
We at Eaters, we smoke that roach. Yeah, that's right.
I got him, coach.
We got that skin. Ha.
Was der Recipe, Papa? Was der Recipe, Papa?
Anti-Society Productions.